This video was published by mbkpinternational.com. In this video, we're just going to talk about this clamp gear here and replacing it, and or just seeing how it operates, just see how it's put together. You got this washer on top and this this bolt or screw. I'm going to go ahead and take this belt off. It's pretty easy. Just go from either way. Either way you can turn it. If it's all the way up, you can go this way. If it's all the way down, you can go the other way. So most of them are up, so I'm going to use this side and just kind of pull up on this belt as you rotate it, and it'll eventually come off this gear. Just be careful. You can pinch your fingers in these gears, so don't go all the way to the gear. And you can kind of pull up there and take it off. You just basically put it back on the same way. You catch it here and just roll it. Anyway, this is free here, and you can see this. You can turn the clamp. You can move the clamp up and down by it here, but you want to make sure this doesn't come. There's going to be a little bit of play in it, but the whole thing should come up. And see, a lot of times you can't loosen it, so you got to just roll this thing with it until it goes all the way down the clamp. See the clamp coming all the way down, and it goes down to the bottom, and now you can put some torque on it to loosen it. Same thing with tightening it. You're going to roll it until it goes all the way up. As you can see, this thing can come off now. There's a little play in it because it's not completely flush with this. There's a little bit of gap there, so you're going to have a little bit of play between with the washer and this, just like that. But these two separate, and it's just got the knob there that goes into this slot here, and it's got a stopper there, and usually two rubber things there to soften the stop. And this can come off too with a pulley. If you get a pulley and take it off, sometimes they're hard to get off, sometimes they're easy. I might be able to get this off without a pulley, but most of them need a pulley to take them off, but I was able to take that off, but just like so. And if you were to put a new one on, all you'd have to do is get a gear puller under it and just pull it off if you can't get it off by hand. Some of them can come off by hand, like I said, and some of them don't. And you just got that, just got to line up that pin there with the slot and just get it down on it. And go and just put this back together like so, just into the slot. And one thing you want to look for, you can hold this bottom lip down here. There should be, with holding this bottom lip and it not turning, there should be play in it. It goes almost all the way around. And that's free play, so when the clamp spins, it can basically get a running start at breaking the clamp free when it's pushed to the bottom hard. It has room to get to basically a running start to break it free, because if it starts from a stuck position, it has a hard time breaking it free. So you want that free play there. The clamp's not moving at all. I'm holding this bottom lip, and you can see the free play it has almost all the way around. And it should spin easily by hand. With this on here, it's not going to go anywhere, because this is a fixed piece here that doesn't move. It should be firm. There should be no movement in it other than spinning around. So with this on it, this gear, and this, all the way down. This will start lifting the clamp up, and you're going to have to go all the way up with the clamp until it tops out, and then you can put some torque on it to tighten it down. See, there's this bottom and this together can move up together, and this could separate, move a little bit, but there should not be much movement, or you don't got the screw all the way in. It could be cross-threaded, so you got to check for that, but there should be very little play here. That's about all the play you should have. And that's basically it. This video is published by mbkpinternational.com.